Dolphins!
Dolphins! Dolphins! Oh my god! So good morning. It's 5:41, and the reason I'm up so early is because I fell asleep last night at 8, I think. But the reason I'm out here is I want to check out the sunrise, and I heard that in Maldives the sunrise is amazing, so let's check it out. Okay, still pretty dark. We can see that it's starting to become a bit reddish over there, so that's where we're going. Okay, we're here at the other side of the beach, and the view is just amazing. It's so calm. Not a lot of people are up yet. There's an old boat. I think they're building it. They're making it into a restaurant or something. So, we didn't quite see the sun. I think it was a bit blocked by some clouds, so it's like bright already. There was a lot of like clouds, so we didn't really get to see the sun go up. That was the sunrise. The sun's officially up, and the funny thing is you can see the locals. This is actually their swimming hour, so you can see they're actually going there, and then there's like a bunch of them, like the locals. They're all just swimming there. I mean, it's like 6 in the morning, and most of them are like the elderly. But yeah, it's funny seeing them swim at this hour all together. Time to head back to the hotel. So we're now having breakfast, and breakfast is actually quite good. And people are already starting to swim, actually. And I think it's a good time to swim, like early in the morning, because it's not too hot yet. So we are now going to see Jet at Kani Villa and Spa, okay? Which is there, and then we turn left. It's a very beautiful day today. We saw the sunrise, and today we're gonna do a whole day tour. Yeah. Okay, what's this? Oak Spa. Okay, we're a bit lost. Kita lurus saja. We'll try to find it. Maybe it's somewhere here. Excuse me. Sorry. Where is Kani Villa and Spa? Which one? This one, and then left. Oh, this one. Okay. Thank you. Thank you. Actually, we're here already. Oh yeah, oh there. Okay, found it. Here we are, Kani Villa. This is Kani Village. Yeah, I think this is the one. Okay, so we're here. We're gonna see Jet now. Yes, this is Tim, and it's his birthday. Yeah. Hey Jet, what's up? So we're gonna try out some flippers.
Do you have to fill out a form?
Okay, we have to fill out a form. We're gonna do the scuba thing and everything. So yeah, so we're now gonna try out some flippers. So we got our gear, and now we are approaching the beach, and we're going to go off into the sea. Yes.
We join all our trips, so we also have vlogs.
Yeah, of course. Okay, so that's the boat. Weather is really nice. Very beautiful weather. Very
We were scared earlier because on the way here it was raining.
Oh, it rained a bit last night in Male, just a bit, just a little drizzle. But as soon as we got here, the guys were like, "What rain?"
Let me tell you this, let me tell you right now, your exquisite kiss still burning. Didn't know I missed this passion in life. Now I'm addicted somehow. Let me tell you what is up with your smile? It's impossible, not melting, irresistible. When I look through your eyes,
We're gonna see sea Hopefully. So here goes nothing. We're going there. Ready, pare?
Alright.
Alright. Ready, Mimi? 1, 2, 3. So that was the first session of our snorkeling. It was okay, it was alright. You can see them all the way there. We have 2 more dive spots, so I don't want to tire myself too much on this one. And excited to see the other 2 sites. It's so blue! Never seen water so blue. This blue. There is now, but never seen also. Dolphins! 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 Oh my god! Dolphin! Oh, you have to look and see dolphin! Oh my god! Did you see? Did you see? Did you see the dolphin? Oh, they're swimming away. So we were able to see dolphins and a manta ray, but they were a bit far. But it was a really good experience. And now we're gonna have something to eat. It's an island in the middle of nowhere. In the middle of nowhere. Middle of nowhere. Island is just so small. Look at that. That's how big the island is. Sun is way up. We're gonna cook ourselves lunch. Lunch. We're gonna have lunch here. This is where we're gonna have lunch.
Let me tell you what I found. We've been knowing there is more in life than I would. Now I wanna embrace life, you and I side by side, knowing there is more in life than I would.
Whoop! Don't jump!